This is the best $150 you can spend in Las Vegas. It's a daytime foodie adventure of the best restaurants at Wynn and Venetian. You start at Smith & Walensky with the burrata, the truffle mac, the angry shrimp, and steak. The best part of this tour is it's done by 4, so you still have your whole night to do whatever you want. The next stop is at Sugar Cane. Big, bold flavors mixed with classic comfort dishes. These 2 resorts are beautiful, full of iconic photo ops. And next up is Estiatorio Milos, which is easily the best Mediterranean restaurant in the city. Expect the best olive oil, the freshest tomatoes, and crispy fried deliciousness. You end this lunch extravaganza at Cipriani. This understated beauty is where celebrities go to sip bellinis and dine on delicate confections. All the details are in the comments. Would you go? Let me know and follow me for all the Vegas.